Good morning, my dear cuties. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about singular and plural. Do you know what is meant by singular and plural, dears? Singular means one, plural means many. Let's we see briefly, okay, dears? Next one, what is meant by noun? A noun is a person, place, animal, and things. These all are nouns. Okay, dears, I will ask one question for you. What's your name? Yes, that's right. Your name also called a noun. I understand. Do you know the meaning of singular noun? I already said no, dears. Singular means one. Nouns means it should be referred a person, place, animal, and things. So, are you fine it, dears? Yes, that's right. Singular nouns means one person, one place, one thing, and one animal's name can be called singular noun. Okay, see the picture, dear. This is a boy. How many boys? Only one. See this picture? Cat. Next one, house. See this picture? This is a flower, one flower, okay? What you can see in this picture? Yes, that's right. All are one picture. These all are singular nouns. What is meant by plural noun? Plural means many. Nouns means what? Yes, that's right. Plural noun means more than one or many person, place, animal and things name. Okay, dears? Okay, see the pictures, dear. How many boys? 3. Next, cats. See these pictures? Houses. Flowers. These all are called plural noun. Ice cream is a singular noun. Ice creams is a plural noun. We have to add s with the plural noun. Floor, flowers. Ant, ants. Bag, bags. Dress, dresses. Hero, heroes. Crayon, crayons. Dish, dishes. Mango, mangoes. Fox, foxes. Thank you, dears.